Welcome to the main floor of the Coca-Cola bottling facility. As you can see behind me, the operation here is truly massive and runs with incredible precision. Welcome to the main floor. Behind me, you can see the incredible scale of our operation, where precision and innovation meet to bring you your favorite drinks. This truly is a symphony of engineering, a mesmerizing dance of ingredients. It's incredible to see it in action. When the bottles are ready, we move over here to the main floor, where the filling, capping, and labeling all happen at incredible speed.
The sheer volume of sugar required for the bottling process is staggering.
These massive tanks behind me hold the liquid carbon dioxide, or CO2, that gives the soda its fizz.
The flow rate on regulator 4 seems high. It's within tolerance, but let's log it.
This reading here, it keeps flickering. See that? Yeah, I see it. That's outside the acceptable range.
Pressure stabilized at 20 psi. Good. Let's keep monitoring the lines.
This is where the magic happens. We combine the syrup base with the caramel color to give it that distinct look before it heads down the line. While the machinery handles the volume, it's the expertise of our team that guarantees the integrity of the product you see here.
With the recalibration complete, the facility operates at peak efficiency. ensuring every bottle meets our stringent standards.
This stabilization is crucial. The heat and cool process unit ensures the liquid reaches the exact target temperature with incredible precision before bottling. And look at this. The carbonation process is absolutely vital, locking in that crisp, refreshing flavor right here before it hits the bottles. Welcome to the main bottling facility. As you can see, these bottles are rapidly moving down the line, ready for filling.
Control, this is Section 3. We have a priority jam, and I'm proceeding to clear.
Hey, shut it down! Look at the capper, it's malfunctioning!
Now that the bottles are perfectly sterilized, we move on to the most critical part of the process, the filling and capping. And just like that, the bottles are filled and capped. It's incredible to see the speed and precision of this line.
After passing through the blue light chamber, the caps are completely sterile and ready for the bottling line.
Next up is the labeling station. This is where the magic happens, transforming these bottles into the Coca-Cola you recognize around the world.
Laser etching provides a unique identifier for every single unit, guaranteeing complete traceability from the factory floor to the consumer.
And here we see the final stage. The bottles are grouped into multi-packs, ready to be shipped out to stores everywhere. It's a truly efficient process. This is where the real magic happens. The precision of these robotic arms is absolutely incredible. This simple barcode is the key to our global supply chain, allowing us to track these products from the factory floor straight to your local store. And there it goes, the final stage of the journey complete. Soon, these bottles will be on their way to you. From our hands to yours, we're proud to maintain the highest standards right here in the bottling facility. We appreciate your trust in us. We're really proud of the work done here every day. Thank you for taking the tour. We look forward to sharing more with you soon. Well, that concludes our tour of the bottling plant. We hope you've enjoyed this look at how we get our products from here to you.